Hey everybody, I've been using VidIQ, and this is the first time I got a perfect score on my optimized score rating, 100 out of 100. So in case you don't know what VidIQ is, it is a program that will add on to YouTube Studio little prompts, and it'll help you with some AI like titles and descriptions and things of that nature. But here's the checklist of what it looks for, and I'll just show you. The highest priority is that your title evokes amusement. It's clear what your video is about and why a viewer want to watch. Your title is easy to understand. Your title isn't too long. And lower priorities are keywords are in the first 200 characters of the description and that you added it to a playlist. It also, on longer videos, it also wants a customized thumbnail, which I should really do. This says, laugh out loud at this funny Fiat license plate. That was actually prompted to me by the program. So if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. And if this helped you at all, smash like. And if you want to see the next one, go ahead and subscribe. I'll talk to you later. Oh, I answer comments. Thanks.